Hi, welcome back. On this episode, we're going to remove the tailgate and put it back on. So it's going to be a pretty short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clara Garage. All right, let's get started. So I'm about to pull the tailgate off of this because I'm going to do a bunch of work on the truck. I'm going to pull the box and everything off too. But I thought I'd do a short, quick video on how to take it off and how to put it back on. You don't need any tools for this. And it's the same, I think, from like the 30s. I could be wrong on that, but I think like the early GM trucks, like 30s or 40s. This is 2003, and I think it was still the same until maybe the electric tailgates. I'm not sure about those. I've never got into one of those. But basically, for almost 100 years, it's going to be the same way to remove your tailgate. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to open the tailgate. So first thing we're going to do is remove the tailgate strap. We'll do one at a time. If there's two people, it's a little bit easier. But we're going to lift the tailgate up a bit. We can see it's not flat anymore. They're slocking the cable. And then you can see this little clip here. You just pull that out with your hand and then pop it off. And then lay that off to the side. And now it's going to be the same thing on this side. But I'm going to get the camera on the tripod, because then I'm going to need both hands. Alright, so now I'm going to take the other one off, and then the tailgate will pull right off the truck pretty easy. So same thing as the other side. I'm just spreading that open and pulling it out. If you needed to use a screwdriver to get it in to spread it open, you can do that too. So now I'm going to close that about halfway to 3/4 of the way. And then this is the right side of the truck. I'm going to lift up, and then this is going to come free, and then I'm going to slide the whole tailgate towards the right side of the truck, and it's going to pull it out of the pocket on the other side. So just kind of up, out, and now the tailgate is free. Alright, we'll take a quick look at those pockets, and it'd be really easy to see the difference of them now. So here's the left side of the truck, and we can see that pocket just comes right out. And then here's the driver's side of the truck. I'm not sure if you can notice or not on the camera, but the pocket's actually, or the stud coming out's actually turned a little bit compared to the other one. So the camera's sitting flat there. We can see it's kind of more oriented this way. And then back to the other side, we can see it's oriented more straight up and down. So there's one little difference from side to side. And then this is the pocket on the tailgate on the right hand side, and we can see it's not completed on the bottom, and that's how we're able to lift it up and off. And then we'll go and look at the other side, and here's the pocket on the left side, and we can see it's fully round. So that's why we gotta have the tailgate half open and pull it off on the right hand side, and then pull the tailgate a little bit. Alright, I'm going to put the tailgate back on now, so it's going to be the reverse order. And it's easier with two people, but you can do it with one person. But we're going to get the tailgate kind of oriented somewhat in the right position, and then we're going to slip it onto the stud in the pocket on the left hand side. And then we'll get the right angle, and we'll slip down on the right hand side and then click our box supports in. So I'm just going to gently kind of sit this down for a second. slide it over. So I'm going to look at this side, and I'm going to get it in the pocket. So that side's fully in the pocket now. And then I'm just going to lift this up, and I'm going to slip it down and match that angle. And now the tailgate is on the truck, and then these just slip on, just like so. So we got one on, and now we can do the other side together. And now we'll click the other side on so we have it up a little bit. And all you got to do is just get it on that stud, push down, and then pull it until you're past that clip. And then it's fully installed and back on the truck. So that's all there is to removing a tailgate on a GM truck. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clara Garage. Have a great day.